Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'm here with another video to help you guys learn how to log into TriNet, a login for employees. As you can see, you need to first open up any web browser, like I did with Google, and go to a search engine. Search for TriNet login and hit enter. After doing so, many results will pop up on your screen. Just click on the first link that shows up. After doing so, it will take you to the official site of TriNet. Now, as you can see, the official site has loaded up on my screen. You need to scroll down. Here, you can see different options of how and where you need to log in. For now, I'm going to log into TriNet POE, also known as Professional Employer Organizer. Just click on Login. After doing so, you'll be taken into a new interface, like my screen here. You need to input your login ID and password in order to log in. But if you forgot your password or your username, you can easily reset them by clicking this button here. Or if you have a Google Play ID or an App Store ID, you can also easily log in through those IDs. And if you're a first-time user or hearing about TriNet, you can also log in by clicking First-Time Login and sign up to this website. So guys, after entering your correct login ID and password, just hit Login. And here's a Remember Me icon as well. If you're using a private computer, you can check this box. But I would not recommend this if you're using a public computer. So guys, after clicking on Login, you'll be logged into your TriNet account. So guys, this is all for this video. I hope you find our video helpful. And if you do, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification, and don't forget to leave a comment for video. For more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.